Hola, from beautiful Benidorm here in Spain, and I'm at the L Aigüera Park. This is the Julio Iglesias amphitheatre, which is absolutely beautiful. Looks like a Romanesque sort of building. And here in Benidorm you get a lot of these pots with Benidorm actually written on them. You get them all over the city. So you can see that. I think we should maybe head back down and see what there is down here. Now there is a Julio Iglesias statue somewhere in this park. Here in the L Aigüera. Okay, so I'm going to search for the statue right now, so I'll get back to you when I find it. Okay, so I've just walked from the back entrance. I've just realised that this is the front entrance. That's the back. I came in from the back and I actually walked all the way around there, back down here and back in the amphitheatre. And I'm assuming that the statue is on your left as you're walking into the Julio Iglesias amphitheatre. So they do all sorts of shows and things here. Beautiful, beautiful place. Well, I can't find this statue anywhere, guys. I don't know where it is. I believe that the statue is actually on my left, as I've just walked back in through the back way of L Aigüera Park. So that little amphitheatre must not be the Julio Iglesias amphitheatre. That must be straight ahead. Okay, so close? No. Okay. The Julio Iglesias statue is inside, and it is closed off to the public at the moment, unfortunately. So where I was in L Aigüera Park, that amphitheatre I mistakenly thought was the Julio Iglesias amphitheatre, but the amphitheatre itself is a lot bigger, and it's closed off, unfortunately, at this moment in time. But it's behind this wall, and I think that cleaner, or whoever she was, made it clear that it was closed. So just down there to me. Don't know if I got that on camera, I'm not sure. Sometimes forget to press the record button, but even though this is closed, I have enjoyed my little day out at the L Aigüera Park. I'm just going to make sure that this isn't the entrance. Hopefully it is, and it is actually open. Ah, I think it's open, guys. Yes. Just hope nobody says anything. Ah, this is it, guys. This is the Julio Iglesias amphitheatre. Hola.
Está cerrado esto.
No entry.
Cerrado, no entry.
Okay, okay. No entry. So I'll just have to come back again another day in the future. It looks like they're getting everything ready for a show or something like that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching that little vlog. Well, I say a little, it's probably gone on far too long now. But from sunny Benidorm, from beautiful Spain, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching.